We all had someplace last minute to go and needed a quick weave. Would you believe this is a headband wig? Yes, I love headband wigs because they are beginner friendly for persons like me who cannot weave my own hair. They are low maintenance and they protect your hair from tension because you know I'm all about making sure my edges and my hair care routine is not compromised for any hair care, for any hairstyles. So this is why I love headband wigs because they're quick, easy. Anyone, let me just, you don't have to have no weaving experience because look at me. I just put some plaits in and I'm just gelling down the front to get it all dolled up to throw that wig on. One thing I love about it is great for last minute. It's easy to install, low maintenance, and you only invest in it one time. It's something that you can invest in, buy it, but you once you take care of it, you could rewear this weave and restyle it as much times as you want to. And the thing about it is, at the end of the day, I could take it off. I only could put it on when I know I go in someplace. I ain't got to keep it on all the time because for me, my hair is sweat. My scalp is sweat. Eyes get little irate when I have too much tension on my hair. So this is why I love it, because of the combs and stuff that I could adjust it where it isn't tight on my hair, and I could just style it and go only when I need it, because you all know we have them last minute places we have to go and we want to be cute and we look like we just come out the salon, but we ain't really want just come out the salon, you know. So headband wig prices vary on textures and length. So you can check any one of your local beauty supply stores, online stores to purchase them and find different colors, textures, like I say. So with headband wigs, what I love about it too, you could have it look more natural by styling it. So if you guys want to see different ways I can style my headband wig, definitely leave a comment, let me know, and I'll do a separate video for that. But if you found this video helpful, hope you guys enjoyed it, and leave me a comment. Definitely follow and let me know if you love the content that I'm giving, and also look at my background, look at my lighting. I'm really working on those, and it's giving where you guys can see better. And thank you guys for watching, and look, came out cute.